as we get closer and closer to 2026, we're gonna see more and more leaked images slash leaked concepts of the iPhone Fold, and this is another leaked concept slash idea. Now it says that this speculation is based on the 14th April 2025 rumors, which obviously was earlier this year, but this is the first time we're seeing this concept really be posted. And holy moly, that camera right there, that camera notch at the end. Kind of reminds you a little bit of the iPhone 17 Pro series with how big that camera notch is, where it's across the whole entire phone. But it also reminds me of the Google Pixel series, the first foldable phone from Google, where it was literally the whole back was just full of camera notch. It also has the same exact little pad thing that we see with the iPhone 17 series, so that's kind of cool. We do, of course, have the camera bump here, which actually, surprisingly enough, even though it's humongous, does not look like it's that much of a bump. As much as it looks like when it comes to looking at it on, like, in person here. Like, not in person, but looking at it right here, it looks like this bump would be, like, at least, like, 2 or 3 inches. It's not as crazy over here, which is good. When closed, this is what it would look like. It's better than the Surface Duo 1 and 2 bump. Now, this is a concept we've been talking about a lot lately, is this kind of smaller foldable cell phone that, again, reminds me a lot of the Surface Duo lineup, where it's a, not 360-degree foldable phone. It is 180 degrees, but it has that kind of big displays on either side, and it's not like the tall, narrow, thin displays we see from the Z Fold series, right? So you can see inside here, very, very humongous display. Then, of course, we have it when it's closed. We have it on the side here, which I'm going to guess fingerprint reader and the power button here. Actually, the volume rockers right here. Yeah. And then we have, of course, the back cameras here. And, of course, when it's open, it does have, of course, the MagSafe here. So, this is Huawei. It says Huawei right here. So, kind of interesting. Now, Huawei did create a foldable cell phone kind of like this. And if you guys remember, it was a flip phone, though. It wasn't a foldable phone like this. It was a flip phone. Very similar concept, a lot smaller than this, but kind of interesting. So, obviously, you got Huawei, I guess, right here. Suspected Apple foldable smartphone design, top Huawei Pura X structure. Okay, so they're saying this is the structure on the bottom, but this is obviously the concept on the top for Apple. So is this the Pura X then? I don't think so, because the Pura X is a flippable phone. It's not a foldable phone. I guess same concept, but like it's different in the end. Yeah, so I think this, okay, so the bottom, I think this is Huawei's phone. This is Huawei's phone right here. So this is just showing that it's very similar to this concept. So the concept is there. The concept can work. But again, it has to work as in, nobody's buying this. I'll be honest, if Apple releases this, right, they're not going to buy this. I think the Z Fold series, copying the Z Fold series as much as possible, is going to be a recipe for success if you're Apple. That's kind of how I look at it at this point. Yeah, so this is the Huawei's phone. And then this is obviously the concept. So this will be a lot bigger of a phone than the Huawei's phone. Still looks really good, though. I really love this concept. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.